Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you 5 best LUTs in Filmora Mobile for portrait videos to make them more catchier. So, without any further delay, let's start today's video. Firstly, click on a new project and select your footage, then click on Import. As you can see, this is raw footage. Then go to the filters, and then to Portrait. The first LUT is Sunglow. It will increase the mute colors with a bit of saturation. You can see the changes before and after. Even you can control the intensity with this slider. Then the next one is Peach. This LUT adds a peach color to your footage and makes them look more stylish and authentic. Adjust the slider to blend the LUT with the video color. Then the next one is Bronze, which will increase the brightness and highlights in your footage. Adjust the slider for perfect blending. Then the next one is Clam Tech. This LUT adds a bluish tone to your footage and makes them look more clam. Then the last one is Vibrant Tech. This LUT increases the vibrance in your footage with highlight and contrast, which makes your footage pop up. These are the 5 LUTs for portrait footage. Download the Filmora mobile app and check out these amazing LUTs for footage. If you liked this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more awesome Filmora tutorials.